In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a PDF from Figma with editable text. If you've ever wondered how to maintain text editability when moving your designs from Figma into a PDF format, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this together, step by step, ensuring your text remains editable for future tweaks or collaborative adjustments. First, let's head over to Figma. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to figma.com. Once you're there, you'll find the login button prominently on the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button and enter your credentials to access your Figma account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the home page. This is where you can see your recent projects and access the design files you'll be working with. Find the project you intend to export. It's always a good idea to ensure the text and other elements are finalized in your design before moving on. With your design open, direct your attention to the top left of the screen and click on the word Design. This will take you into the main workspace where all the creativity happens. Here you'll have access to the full suite of tools Figma offers for modifying your design further if needed. Now let's move towards exporting. Direct your attention to the upper left portion of the screen where you'll see three horizontal lines often referred to as the main menu. Give this a click. From the drop down menu, hover over the option titled File. When you do this, another submenu will appear. Here's where you'll find the essential export functionality. Look for export frames to PDF and click it. This process can take a few moments depending on your file size, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantaneously. Your PDF is being generated behind the scenes, preserving editable text within your design. Exporting as a PDF is ideal for maintaining the resolution and quality of your visuals, while also ensuring text layers can still be selected and edited later with compatible software. By following these steps, you've now successfully exported your design from Figma into a PDF with all text remaining editable. This feature is incredibly useful for sharing documents with others, allowing them the flexibility to make text adjustments without altering the design integrity. Congratulations. You've not only learned how to maintain the text editability in an exported PDF from Figma, but also made the process smoother for future edits. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try exporting different projects until you're comfortable. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Until next time, keep designing.